Wien's displacement law. Okay, it states that it states that the wavelength of the wavelength for which the wavelength for which emissive power of a black body is inversely proportional to black body is maximum. Okay, it states that the wavelength for which the emissive power of a black body is maximum inversely proportional to inversely proportional to the temperature of the black body. Temperature of the black body. Okay, then absolute temperature. Okay, to the absolute temperature of the absolute temperature of the black body. Then lambda maximum wavelength lambda maximum is inversely proportional to 1 by temperature, then is equal to B is the Wien's constant, B into 1 by T, okay, that is B by T. B is equal to Wien's constant, B is equal to 2.898 into 10 to the power 3 meter Kelvin. Okay, then 2.893 divided by 1000 is equal to 0.0029 meter Kelvin. Okay, B is the Wien's constant. When lambda m is increased, then temperature will decrease, and temperature increase, then wavelength will be decrease in Wien's displacement law. Then we draw a graph between energy and wavelength. Energy and wavelength. Then this is 1, 2, 3. This is T1, temperature T1, T2, this is T2. Then this wavelength is more than this, then this. Okay, this is T1 for lambda m1, lambda 1 m, okay, wavelength m, lambda m2, lambda m3. Okay, then if temperature will in the more temperature, bigger graph. Okay, more temperature first, more temperature will increase, then bigger graph. Okay, more temperature, bigger graph. Okay, then we know P3 is greater than T2 and greater than T3, T1. Then after this, lambda m3 is less than lambda m2 is less than lambda m1. Temperature increase, then wavelength will be decrease. Okay, if temperature decrease, then lambda will be increase. So then from 7 colors we know video from violet to, when we move from violet to red, then lambda will be increase. Okay, in 7 color when you move from violet to red, because temperature is maximum in violet and in red the temperature is very less, so lambda is more, that is wavelength is more. So wavelength, red of wavelength, lambda wavelength of red, okay, wavelength of red is greater than wavelength of violet. Okay, then when we increase the temperature, it should be shifted to higher temperature to lower temperature. All this about Wien's displacement law. Wien's displacement law states that the wavelength for which the emissive power of a black body is maximum inversely proportional to the absolute temperature of the black body, that is called Wien's law. This is all about Wien's law. When lambda wavelength is increased, then temperature will be decreased. If temperature is increased, then lambda will be decreased. If temperature is decreased, then lambda will be increased, inversely proportional to the absolute temperature of the black body. If there is any doubt, this is the diagram. A graph energy between energy and wavelength. This is all about Wien's displacement law. Thank you. शेयर कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और कमेंट कीजिए. थैंक यू. नमस्ते.